This week's mini cake is a salted caramel cake, and it's made with tiny little 2-inch cake layers. I used a circle cutter to cut out a piece from a leftover sheet cake I had, which I cut in half, and then I frosted with a generous layer of salted caramel buttercream. Once my cake layers were stacked, I added on a crumb coat, chilled the little cake, and then added on a second layer of buttercream. Then it was time for the best part, those beautiful caramel drips. I really could not get over this cake, and that's why I was so incredibly excited that
I heard you like Nutella. Well, keep on watching because we're making donuts Nutella. Flour, baking powder, and mix. Cracking an egg in the middle, adding milk, a little bit of oil, obviously can use butter, and sugar. Mix, and we add Nutella. Yup, that is the main flavor here, and I'm so excited. Should look like this. And then we start layering the piping bag with the batter and real Nutella. Duh. We keep on going, and then we oil the pan because it's a very necessary step and I sometimes miss it. Should look like this, and we start piping. This is my favorite part. I don't know why, it's just so satisfying but also fun. Here is from far and here is from close. Look at that Nutella swirl inside. Come on. Should look like this, and into the oven. Come back for part 2.
One cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a cup of chocolate chips. Mix it all together. Divide into 12 and place on a prepared baking sheet at 350 for 8 to 10 minutes. Boom.
You've got to try this cannoli dip at your next party if you like cannolis. It's a really fun little spin on making regular cannolis. Plus, I feel like everyone likes dips, and you can serve it in a really cool way by crushing up these waffle cones and using it as a little dipper.
Chocolate chip cookies, my recipe. What you'll need is 1 stick of butter, which is half a cup sugar, 1/4 cup brown sugar. Put in bowl with butter. Mix it up. Okay. Next, add 1 egg and a splash of vanilla, because you can never have too much. And mix again. All right. Then you'll need 1½ cup flour, ½ teaspoon baking soda, and some salt. And mix again. Caution on slow. Once you're done, scrape down your sides, then fold in your chocolate. My recipe calls for 1 cup chocolate, but I just add as much as I like. Perfect. Preheat oven to 350. Take 1/8 scoop or a cookie scoop and get balls of cookie dough. Roll it out. Place on parchment and smush. And they're done.
Guys, let's make Indian sweet barfi. 1 glass whole milk. Guys, we're gonna stir till boil. Milk is boiling. Now we're gonna add sugar, 2 spoon clarified butter, dry milk. Guys, mix together and form into a dough. Guys, it should look like this. Little bit oil on the tray. We're gonna put on the tray. Guys, spread in the tray. Almond, cashews, pistachio, oil paper, and guys, roll. Guys, it's been 4 hours. Guys, burfi is ready. Enjoy.
Last year I started the tradition of making key lime pie for my birthday because I honestly prefer it to cake and it's significantly less work. This recipe is not too sweet and people always say it's the best key lime pie they've ever had. For the crust I like ginger snaps or Biscoff cookies more than graham crackers, but you do you. I just added some salt and butter to the crumbs and you can just do it all in a bag for easy cleanup. Pour it in your pie plate and tamp it down with a measuring cup and bake it off. You can make this with real key limes, and last year I did. You can look at the video, but you honestly won't be able to tell the difference, and larger limes are easier to find and easier to use. The full written recipe is on my website, but it's really just some sweetened condensed milk, egg yolks, and fresh lime juice and lime zest. It only takes about 20 minutes in the oven, and then you just want to refrigerate it overnight to set and top with homemade whipped cream.